So Hubstaff is a time tracking and productivity tool that helps monitor work hours, activity, and team performances across devices. Now here's a detailed step-by-step tutorial for beginners to set up and use it effectively, covering both owner, manager, and employee perspective. I've actually been using it for a while and I find it very interesting, and I hope this video does the same for you. If it does, please don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video. Now Hubstaff offers a free trial, and I'd like for you to sign up to really enjoy this tutorial. You can find the website in the description below. Once you click on it, it will lead you to the Hubstaff website to join. I've joined and it said welcome to Hubstaff. It looks like you're new to Hubstaff. There aren't pending invitations for my email, and if my team isn't on Hubstaff yet, they want me to create an organization for them. So we're going to create an organization. Now they want to know what my organization name is. Now they've already pre-written Kraus organization here, so I like that. Website is optional, and they want to know how big my team is. I'm going to put 3 to 6, and I'm going to click on next. Now they want to know what our goals are, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to click on track our productivity. We're going to click on next. Now they say, well, how do you want your team to track time? We're going to go to all platforms and go to next. Now they'd like for me to invite the team, but we can also click on finish to skip all this invitation process. Now Hubstaff is asking me to choose a plan. This is the plan that they have available. They have the starter for $4.99 a month. They have the grow package for $7.50 a month. They have the team package for $10 a month, and they have the enterprise package for $25 a month. Now we're going to scroll down to the bottom and we're going to click on pick a plan later. Now that it's loaded, we're going to click on this arrow and we're going to click on show pages. We're going to scroll down and we're going to go to dashboard. Now we have a beautiful dashboard with detailed analytics here. Now it says no active members or job sites. Now because we didn't invite any members when it prompted us to, but the purpose of this tutorial is actually to manage our productivity. So we're going to come on the left side, we're going to scroll down and come to project management. On the project management, we have a pre-filled project for us, which is Kraus organization project. But if you want to create a new project, you're going to come here and click on add project. Now once we are on this new project, we're going to have a new project called review Hubstaff, and we're going to make it billable. If this project is not going to be charged to a client, you're going to turn this off, but if it's going to be charged, you're going to turn this on. And this is in relation with the budget and limits. You're going to choose hours, and you're going to state the total number of hours you're supposed to spend on this project. If it was a cost, you're going to state the total cost you're going to spend on the project. Total hours. Let's choose total cost, and now you're going to use a bill rate, and the total cost should be $20,000. Now we're going to use a rate. Now we can set notification to notify project members, and they're going to notify when the amount of the budget of the project reaches a particular percentage. So once it's at 50%, and who to notify, you can notify organization management or all members. So resets are never, and we can set a time date to start the project. We can actually set it to today. Now we can come to here to disable inactivity, and also choose to disable idle time. We can allow project tracking. That's definitely necessary, but this is an important part. If you have a client for this particular project, you can actually send them an invite. You can add them. Once you add them, they are going to come to clients, and you can choose the clients here, and then you choose them and add them to this project. Now you can also add team members from here. Once the team members have been sent invites, you find them on the dashboard. Let's see if we can find them here. You come to people, and you see the members here. You can add members here and send invites to your team members. Now once you send them invites, you're gonna be able to add them to your project. So when you come back to the project and you come to add projects again, and you can come here to members, you can come here to clients, and you can find the client, and you can come here to members and you can find the members that have already been invited, and you can add them. Now you can also set viewers of this project, so you can add the client as a viewer of this project so they can see the progress. So once we save our review Hubstaff project, it's gonna show here. Now let's move to how to actually track time for each project. So once you go to the top, you see this alarm icon here. You see it says open timer. You can click on this arrow and you can select a project. You can select a to-do, or you add a to-do for the project. We are going to add a script breakdown to-do to our to-do list, and we're going to assign this task to ourselves. We're going to click save. Now we can already input that to this timer, and we can add the organization to it. Now once we click on start, you realize the timer starts for the project. So as you're starting the project, as you're doing the project, you're already setting the timer for it. And once you're done and you click on stop, we're going to close this up and we're going to go to dashboard, and we can see the activity that we've been able to do for the day. As you see here, it has to-dos and it has the time frame for the to-dos, and that's the organization, the member that did the task. Now you can also go to project management and you can go to to-dos, and here you can add to-dos to your project, to any project actually that you want. You can review Hubstaff. You can add a task to review Hubstaff, and you can make it a Kanban board. You can make it a list, or you can make it a timeline. And these are all add-ons that you need to purchase to your project, but it helps with managing your tasks. Now Hubstaff also has a feature to help you monitor your activities and screenshots. And when you go to dashboard, you can find some insights on some of the activities that you've done. But when you go to activity, you can actually find detailed insights here, and you can go to screenshots. It gives you screenshots of your activities that you've done. Now you can see here that only desktop applications record screenshots. So if screenshots are required, you need to edit allowed apps in member settings. And once your screenshots are here, you can edit and delete them at any time. You can also add notes to your screenshots. This is my script breakdown screenshot, and it has the web timer used and everything. Now Hubstaff also allows you to manually edit timesheets. You go to timesheet you click on the arrow beside it, and you can click on view and edit. And here you can see the project and the breakdown, the to-do that we did for the project, the duration, the time that we used, and the duration, the rates, the billable time that we have for it. Now you have actions here that allows you to edit the time entry, split time entry, or delete time entry. If you click on edit, it's going to allow you to tweak some things like the time that you used to perform the task. And once you click on enter, it's going to give you 1 hour now. And it's going to ask you the reason for your change of this billable time entry. Now you can choose your reason here, and you can click on, so we're going to choose forgot to start or stop timer, and then we're going to click on save, and automatically we are going to be billing for 1 hour now instead of 12 seconds. Now Hubstaff also allows you or gives you the privilege of generating reports. When you go to report, you go to time and activity. It allows you to generate reports for your team. And these reports can be generated either to CSV or to PDF files. Now some other features that Hubstaff has can also be found in the settings. Once you click on settings, you can modify a lot of things here to fit your organization needs. An example of that would be adding your members to payrolls. And when you click on members and payments, you can see here that you can add payrolls, you can delay payrolls, and you can process payrolls automatically or manually. Now if you think this video has helped you pick an interest in Hubstaff, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now on to the next one. See ya.